Animals affairs. The biggest animal in the world is the blue whale. The smallest animal in the world is the fairy fly. The tallest animal in the world is the giraffe. The longest animal in the world, the bootless worm. It is worm that is the longest animal in the world. The fastest animal in the world is the peregrine falcon. It is a bird. When it comes to land animal, the fastest is the cheetah. And when it comes to water, the fastest is the black marlin. The most sluggish animal in the world is the sloth. The most poisonous animal in the world is the box jellyfish. The most aggressive animal in the world is the hippopotamus. The most gentle animal in the world is the sea cow, also known as the manatee. The most friendly animal in the world is the dogs, specifically the Labrador retriever. The most intelligent animal in the world is the chimpanzee. After human, chimpanzee is the most intelligent. The most beautiful animal in the world is the peacock. Very beautiful. The most harmless animal in the world is the sloth. The animal with the longest lifespan is the immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish has the ability to regenerate itself. Its lifespan is infinity, hence it bears the name immortal jellyfish. But when it comes to animal with measurable lifespan, then the Greenland shark is the animal with the longest lifespan. The animal with the shortest lifespan is the mayfly. It lives for as short as 24 hours. The dirtiest animal in the world is the pigs. They have retained this title for centuries. The neatest animal in the world, guess what? It is the European honeybee. Thank you very much for watching.